Hello, children. Good morning to everyone. I hope you're all staying safely at home. Learn all the lessons properly because your exams are nearby. You should start learning properly. Today, we are going to learn science subject. Till now, we have completed 11 lessons in science subject, right? Yes, for your half yearly exam, you will be having questions from the first lesson till 11th lesson. We have completed all the lessons. So today we are going to revise. Whatever the portions we have completed after the quarterly exam, we are going to revise now. Okay? Okay, children. After quarterly examination, what was the first lesson we have learned? We have learned 8th lesson, that is weather and seasons, right? Yes, weather and seasons only we have learned. Okay. In weather and season lesson, only thing you must know is what is weather. What is weather and what is season. Okay. What is weather? Weather means how hot, cold, windy, rainy, sticky or cloudy a day is. That is called weather. And what is season? When the weather is the same for many days, we call the time a season. And you must know what are the seasons. We learned 5 seasons, right? What are the seasons? Summer season. In summer season, the specific things are, in hilly areas, summers will be pleasant. We experience this season in the month of May and June, April, May, June. And we learnt about summer flowers, right? And we all look for shade in the month of April, May, June, that is in summer season. And we have learnt about the summer fruits. Yes. Okay. Next season is rainy season. In rainy season, we learned that it will be rainy and it will be cold. In the month of September, how it will be? When the sun comes out, the weather is hot and sticky. We learned that. And who all loves this rainy seasons? Farmers, insects, frogs and the plants love the rainy season. That is the important question from the rainy season. Okay, and we have learned about the flowers that bloom during the rainy season. Next is what season next? Next is autumn season. Autumn season, we have learned that it is a season of festivals, and we experience this in the month of September, October and November. So autumn, the months of September, October and November is autumn season. And the special thing is we have flowering grass, right? We have learned special thing is flower. All the flowers start blooming, right? Grasses also and water lilies also bloom in this season. Okay, this is the season of festival. Next, winter season. We experience winter season now, right? We are in the month of December. We experience winter season. And how it will be? Mornings will be misty. Like how? It will be like clouds near the ground. And near the sea it will be warm. And the fruits available is orange is the special fruit in this season. And we have all fresh vegetables, right? Yes. Winter season, you have this type of flowers. And then the spring season. What about the spring season speciality? It will start in the month of February and it goes till March. Flowers sway in fresh light breeze. So what happens? Butterflies and bees, they love this season because they get honey from all the flowers. So flowers will be very fresh and they all love to go from flower to flower. So the nature celebrate this season. This is what we have learned from 8th lesson. So next, the book back exercise. This is what you have to learn. Okay, this is the odd one. Mark the odd one. Hot wind, mangoes, melons, oranges. What is the different one? Orange is the different one, because hot wind, mangoes, melons all belongs to summer season, but orange belongs to winter season, so it is the odd one. Rain, frogs, sticky weather, mist. Rain, frogs, sticky weather all belongs to rainy season, but mist belongs to winter season, so it is odd one. Third one, snow, mangoes, mist, oranges. In this, snow, mist, oranges belong to winter season, but mangoes belong to summer season, so this is the odd one. Next, dew, bare trees, rain clouds, grass flowers. So dew, bare trees, grass flowers all belongs to autumn season, right? But rain clouds, rainy season, odd one. Flowers, snow, bees, butterflies. Flowers, bees, butterflies, all these belong to spring season, but snow belongs to winter season, so it is an odd one. Next, name one. You have to name one thing. A summer fruit, a spring flower, a winter fruit. Okay, a summer fruit is mango. Spring flower, pansy. Winter fruit, orange. A plant that flowers in autumn, grass. You can write water lily also. A flower that blooms in the rainy season, champa. Okay, okay, answer these in one word. Okay, what sort of weather do most places have in summer? It will be hot. Okay, okay. Next, how is the weather in the places near the sea during winter? How it will be warm? Name a month when the weather is rainy, hot and sticky. It is September. How is the weather in the mountains during summer? It will be pleasant. Okay, you must learn all these things from 8th lesson. What is next one? And next is, you must learn all the question answer from the 8th lesson. Have you all written all these lessons in your notebook? I hope you would have written all these lessons in your notebook. Okay, it's the first lesson, 8th lesson.